We are pleased to show you the 2017 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, push button start. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.